everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Gomora from the 21st to the 25th of February 2022 on Monday. Ntokozo and Teddy deals with their fate as matric results comes out. Makongo is adamant that she has no desire to talk to Sondo on Tuesday. Melusi risked it all to make Tati change her mind one last time. Kokoko continues his rapid hunt for Don's killer on Wednesday. Ntokozo finds himself at the tail end of Kokoko's search. Tati confesses to Mam Sondo that Melusi may actually love her on Thursday. Gladys informed Melusi of her decision on their marriage. Prissy gives Buhle an ultimatum on her mother's wedding day on Friday. Tati learns the deep secret Pumlan has been keeping from her. Melusi and Ntokozo try to find a way out of Kokoko's demands. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.